And environmentally friendly food of the future is being cooked up in Melbourne laboratories, changing what we eat. In a world first, scientists have created lamb meat from a living sheep. But as Joe Hall discovered, that's just the tip of the iceberg.
The new frontier, good old-fashioned Aussie lamb created in a laboratory.
I've been vegetarian and vegan for nearly 30 years now, and was really looking for a product that would remove animals from the supply chain.
Not entirely. Magic Valley did seek a bit of initial help from Lucy, a newborn lamb living on a farm in New South Wales, taking from her a small skin sample.
We can use just that fingerprint-sized initial starter cell population to make thousands and thousands of tonnes of meat.
Basically, the harvested skin cells are turned into stem cells, which are then placed into a broth of glucose, water and other nutrients, which allow the cells to divide and expand, eventually growing into both muscle and fat.
Molecularly, it's exactly the same as lamb that you would find from traditional means.
But they readily admit the leap from land to lab may take carnivores some convincing. However, Magic Valley's first incantation is lamb mince for tacos and burgers.
You're no doubt wondering what it tastes like. Well, it's yet to be approved for consumption, but I can tell you it looks and smells like lamb.
Also needing approval is a revolutionary product in the dairy industry, milk, also produced in a lab using precision fermentation.
Making the proteins exactly the same way as they're made inside the cow's tummy.
Co-founded by the CSIRO and Australia's largest and oldest dairy cooperatives, Norco, Werribee's Eden Brew says its product is world-leading.
When those proteins bind with the calcium, it actually makes the milk look white, for example. We can do that. To our knowledge, no one else on the planet can.
After a 2-year process, the first production run of the milk, designed to suit anyone who is lactose intolerant, was euphoric.
Oh my God, it tastes like the real thing.
With so many dairy alternatives on offer, synthetic milk may condense the household fridge and eventually budget.
We will be the same price as dairy milk within about the next 4 years.
Back at Magic Valley, they say